Hello from Fundamania 2025, and yes, as you can see right in front of me, I can't believe this is here, but this is Equinox. But in this video here, we're going to show you all the new rides. We're going to take on all the new rides, but the first one here is going to be Equinox. We're actually going to be the first riders on it of 2025 in Northern Ireland. Yeah, kind of a mouthful there, but I can't wait, let's get on it. Oh no! Here we go on Danter's Equinox. The first ever ride on it in Northern Ireland. Oh no! I'm nervous as fuck. Oh my life! Oh my goodness, this is not normal. We're literally standing up. Oh jeez, no. Yo! Oh no, this is not right. I hate this. Oh no way! Holy! No. Jason, oh, we're flying. Jesus Christ, we fly so high. Oh, this is amazing. It's not even that uncomfortable. Oh, here we go. Where do we go, Flip? Yo! Whoa! Oh my goodness. Oh! Oh, this is amazing. This is amazing. I think this is the best ride of the year. Oh, look at that. Don't. This is ridiculous. And now we go backwards. Look at the view though. Okay, what's going on? Yo! Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness, no! Oh my goodness! Me! Yo! I don't even know what's going on! Ah! Oh! Oh. Yo! Yo! Oh! Jeez! This is too much! Oh! Alright guys, that is a 10 out of 10, that was well, that was Equinox, the new ride for 2025 at Fundamania, and that was a 10 out of 10, that was unreal. That was so intense. I didn't actually find it that uncomfortable. The lads who were on with me found it quite uncomfortable, but overall it was absolutely amazing. I was telling Evan, absolutely brilliant. This is here in Northern Ireland. You definitely need to get a shot on it. But now we'll go and try some of the other new rides. Okay, up next we're going to be doing Cullens Supertrooper, which is the next new ride at Fundamania Belfast. Let's go. And we're on Supertrooper, and you may recognise this, but this is the actual Supertrooper that operates Alton Towers, Fucking Fly. So it's interesting to give this a go. And any Alton Towers fans, yeah. Here we go with Elliot Cullens Supertrooper.
Okay, riders, here we go to the top of the ride. Here we go, here we go.
Oh, here we go.
Let's go to the side and try and draw the ride. Here we go now, here we go.
Oh, that's good. Whoa! was Supertrooper, and actually, I have to say, I think I prefer that over the PM Rides version. It was a lot faster, and although it did tilt far to one side, it definitely did to the other side, and it was quite forceful. I really enjoyed it. It was much better than any other paratrooper. It's a great addition this year to Fundamania. Now up next, we're going to be doing X-Flight. Now this here is X-Flight, a KMG freakout owned by John Davis. First ever time in Northern Ireland. So let's go give it a shot. Here we go on John Davis's X-Flight freakout.
We love you.
D&B freakout now. Oh my goodness. KMG fire. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's intense. Yo! Short cycle, but oh well. Well, that was X-Flight, and it was a short cycle, but it definitely had some power behind it. So yeah, that's all I really have to say about X-Flight. It's just your standard run-of-the-mill freakout, but it's good to have another pendulum right here at Fundamania, because it'll divert the crowds away from freestyle. Now the final new ride at Fundamania 2025 is this here, which is Cullens Xpress. Now, freestyle's absolutely killed me, so we're not going to be going on it. But I've already got the credit, like, but it's good to see a new Matterhorn at Fundamania Belfast. Okay, that is me out of Fundamania, and oh my goodness, that is probably the best lineup we've had in years in Northern Ireland. Probably actually in Ireland in general, because Equinox was so good, like, just the force of it. I've gone on it twice. I had a game over on freestyle, but I spent a bit of time chilling out, and I did Equinox again because that was so good. Hopefully we'll see it again in Northern Ireland. I'm not too sure how well it's going to do here because it is quite an intense ride, but it definitely did have a few people riding it, but we'll see how it does later on in the event. And the other rides, X-Flight was pretty short, but it was running a wee bit longer later on, and the Supertrooper was alright as well. Quite surprised me that. And it was a shame I couldn't get on the Matterhorn, but I had a nice wee chat with Chris, which was always good. And thank you for watching, and goodbye.
Giants up for Detroit, a lovely city.